In this tutorial, you will learn how to add your documents to the platform so your agents can use them as a data source. To add your documents, click on Data Sources and then Documents in the Build menu. Click Create Folder to create a new folder in which you will add your documents. Give a name to the folder. Then click Create. The new folder will appear in the list. Click on the folder icon or double-click its name to access it. You can then add your documents inside the folder by clicking the Upload Document button. Click Select Files. Select the files to upload and click Open to finalize the selection. You have the option to overwrite the existing files in the folder by switching on the Overwrite Existing Files toggle. Finally, click Upload to upload the files. The uploaded files will appear in the folder and are now available to choose as data sources when configuring an agent. If needed, you can delete a file by clicking the bin icon. You can also view the details of a file by clicking the eye icon.